Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Capricorn. So, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe. Magic Vents Tarot, subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. Make sure to subscribe because you get a chance to win a free reading. So, if you wanna know, hear these readings in Hindi, Urdu, it's on the other channel. Links are in the timestamps. Also, friends, there are many other February readings. I hope you have checked them out. The February pick a card, February love pick a card, charms reading. Lots of them I have done. So, wow, your cards are jumping out. I'll not take them because I haven't asked anything. So let's see theme of the month for you Capricorns. Wow, 10 of cups, family. Capricorns, family is very important to you this month, family, and this is like finding the peace, finding emotional security, stability, and peace in your life. That is the theme of the month. I also feel relationships and friendships are very important to you this month. So, yeah. Wow, Queen of Swords. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I also feel, Capricorns, you have to keep balance between your emotions and your work life or your mind. So that is also very necessary, this month, because I see a lot of happiness for you, but I also see some. You need to balance it, you have to be a little logical about things in your life. So, yeah, online people are important. You might be finding work from online or something. Four of Cups. Yeah. I think Capricorns, it is like, February is like you have everything in your life, but you feel like something little is missing from your life. It's like that one little thing that's missing from your life. It's like, you have everything, A, B, C, D, but you have that X that's missing, that X factor, some oomph is missing. I don't know what it is that's missing from you because I see you have everything in your life, to Capricorns. Like maybe you're married or there is stability, there is happiness this month, but you feel like something is missing. Maybe it is work success, maybe it is more money, maybe it is love, or someone from the past is missing. So you are like, you're a bit nostalgic. Let's see how your past will be. Capricorns, what happened in your past, in your love life? Yeah, your own energy. You felt very powerful in the past. You felt very connected with your energies. I also feel like you were you were working too hard in your past. You were in your control, in your charge. You were dealing with someone. You had a lot of anxiety about your love life. You were not sleeping well. You were waking up, or you were constantly dreaming about somebody. Queen of King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I do feel that in the past, Capricorns, you and someone else, your partner or your lover, your husband, wife, your ex husband, wife, someone, or your twin flame, they were all, some ego issues were happening because both are coming as the male energy. Some ego issues were happening, but I do see that you were able to resolve them. Nine of Cups, you were able to resolve them in the past, and some form of hope has come. Something it is like, you were behaving in your ego, your person was behaving in their ego, it caused some problems, but you were able to come out of it, or you are slowly coming out of it. Let's see what's happening in your present. Capricorns, yeah, celebrations are coming for you, Capricorns. Get ready. I also feel you could be dealing with a third party. Maybe your lover is with somebody else, or maybe the person you are, they are married, or their family or career is acting as a third party. But I do see if you both are single, a celebration is coming for you. Yes, some choices, some decisions are also coming. A chance to meet your person, take them out on a date. Some choices are definitely there. I also feel there is a third party, Capricorns. Maybe your friends are telling you, your family is telling you not to choose this person, or they are married, you are married. Something is going on here. Yeah, you are dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Someone keeps you, someone is keeping you like as a friend, Capricorns. Or someone is keeping you at a boundary, there is like maintain a distance and you don't like it. You want more than friendship. Or maybe right now you are both married but you want to be together. There is some sort of a defensiveness, there is some sort of a distance also. Maybe you are not talking, no contact, but I do feel some resolution, some dates will happen, talks will happen, celebrations will happen, but still there is a distance. That is what you are missing here. Like, oof, they are here but you can't touch them. Like someone is there, you love them, but they have friends on you and you are like, oof. What will happen in February for Capricorns? Yeah, see, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, someone is going to propose you. Love offers are coming for you. Get ready, Capricorn. Someone is gonna propose you. You might message them, they might message you, and also a chance of a childbirth or a pregnancy is going to happen. Also, if you are dealing with a twin flame, you are going to receive a message from your twin flame. So get ready. Lots of love, lots of romance coming your way, and the Page of Wands, excitement coming your way. So, lots of excitement. You could also be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorns. So, I feel like, this is a good month for you. It's a good month. A lot of success, a lot of family support, and relationships going well. So, who is coming towards Capricorns? The Lovers. Yeah, someone you really like, someone you really like, or you are very fond of, they are coming towards you. Eight of Wands. I do feel like, this person is someone who is a long lost lover, or someone you loved but you just cannot have them, or like you have been in no contact with this person. There is some distance, like they are married, you are married, or like this is somebody you lost in the past, like lost in contact, lost in touch. But I think they are coming back. They still feel very passionately about you, Capricorns. Yeah, Ace of Wands. Yeah, this is for some of you, it could be a new person coming towards you. So get ready. A lot of excitement, Capricorn. So what is blocking your love life? Ooh, Four of Wands, marriage. Someone is married, or someone wants commitment and it's blocking. Maybe they are your twin flame, that's the issue here. Maybe it's of different culture, different religion, that's the issue here. But marriage is blocking you. That's what I told you. You are in a third party situation. You are married, they are married, or something is going on. Some commitment is an issue here. Juggling, Two of Pentacles. You are balancing things. You have to really work hard on keeping people happy this month, Capricorns. Also, you might be in a long distance relationship, so you are like, what to do, how do I make that work? Maybe you are mostly talking to them online, so that's become a problem now. A Fool, a new start. Yeah, you both want a new start, but it's not happening, so it's a block right now. So that's the reason. You want marriage, they want marriage. You want commitment, they want commitment, but it's not happening right now. This new start, you want to meet them, but it's not happening because of the world situation. So what will work in your favor? What's the blessing? Oh my God, lots of cards jumping out. Look at that. Justice. So, what is destined for you is going to happen for you, Capricorns. You need not worry. Destiny is with you, fate is with you, karma is with you. I also feel if, what is right for you, or what is legally yours, or what is destined to be yours will happen. What is meant to be will find what is meant to be yours will find its way to you. Knight of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yeah, this person and you both, this is a blessing. This person is a blessing. Whoever this person is, maybe a friend, a lover, a twin flame, and soulmate. Look at that. So a soul friendship, a soul union, or soulmate is coming towards you, and it is a blessing for you, friends. So yeah, it's an exciting month. So what is yours? It's gonna make its way to you. What you are missing for, you're gonna find it. Let's see some advice, then we're gonna see your work and career. Any advices for Capricorns? Truth and love begins. Yeah, so there is a new excitement in your love life. I also see that you, if you are married, you can be having a baby, and if you are single, and you have a person, you might get married, or talks of marriage and commitment moving in together will happen. So there is a new start, a new excitement, and also you will find clarity in your love life, Capricorns. It is like, you have not been, some things were not clear, and you are looking for some answers. Something is missing, right? You will find those missing links. Harmony, look at that. Lovers. This is beautiful, friends. This is a very deep soul union that's coming your way, and what is missing, you're gonna find it. Whether it is in your love, marriage, if you are single, you're gonna find it in a new person. You're gonna find it. So don't worry. Let's see how your work and career will be, Capricorns. Triumph. Wow, you're gonna be very successful. Look at that. Your career is going places. Finally, I do see you traveling, or your career starting to move forward, and some passion, excitement coming in your career, which is good. I think you were waiting for this thing to happen, and it will make you feel very happy and connected, also, excited about your work. I see travel. You might be traveling for work, and for your career you might have to travel for studies also, towards a new college or city, or towards some exams. So you are traveling, and your overall career is moving forward, and you are charging ahead. You also are very connected emotionally with your work. You are doing something that makes you happy. The waiting game, I do feel, friends, in you, the new, there will be some delays. If you are waiting for news, it will take some time to come. Like, it will come in the mid of the month, or by the end of this month. So there are some delays, especially for wait, if you are waiting for news, messages about work, about money, deals about money, or about exams. There are some delays, but don't worry. You are going, you are on the right path. So you will actually get the news in time. What else for Capricorns? Let's see. Capricorns. Wind chime, peace and harmony. Yeah, this month brings you a lot of peace, a lot of harmony, a lot of love, heartache over what you no longer have. You're actually missing. I don't know what it is that you're missing from your life. Maybe it is a lover, maybe it is a friendship, it is money. I don't know what it is that you want. Maybe you have lost somebody, you are missing them. But you will find it. You will, the lost and found, you will find it. Slowly but surely you are moving ahead, yes. You may want to rush ahead with your career this month, but I would suggest you to be slightly patient, because things are picking pace. But I think in the coming months you can be more quick. But this is a month you still be steady. Career is important, yes. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you, yeah. And March, yeah. See, by March your career will be moving forward. Man, dealings or relationships with a man may be important. October is also important, so something may happen in October. August is also important for you. Someone born in August or March or October. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Unicorn, yeah, listen to your intuition and then make some changes in your life. And a very happy February, Capricorns. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye.